So before I start talking about CCNA, you should understand why we are learning CCNA. तो हमें ये जानना जरूरी है कि हम पढ़ क्यों रहे हैं CCNA. Okay. So the first, most of you are joining CCNA either to become a network engineer, or maybe you want to get a IT job. Okay. Or maybe some of you are already in desktop level, but you want to move into networking. Or maybe some of you are from telecom industry, as telecom is not doing great, so maybe this is why you want to move into networking. Or maybe you are already into technical support, but you want to move into the core IT, core networking. Okay, so I am sure this is the four things. Or maybe you are a fresher, you do not love coding, so maybe this is why you are learning CCNA, right? There could be a number of reasons. बहुत सारे ऑप्शन हैं कि बहुत लोग CCNA कर रहे हैं, but you should understand what is my career goal, right? So we will not discuss only CCNA in this batch. I'll be going to help you in your complete career guidance also. Okay, we will help you which track will be better for you. We will not discuss everything today because we have many students right now. We can't discuss, but we will keep checking with you all like after every week. What's your plan? Like what you want to become. So we will give you proper guidance also. Okay, so like this is what I made. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एक चीज दिख रही है. Just hold on. Yeah, so this is the career plan, guys. You can see here. So if you are starting today IT professional combo, okay, so first of all, IT professional combo is better if you want to get a IT job, because you can apply a job as a network engineer, Linux also, system engineer also, if you learn MCSA as Windows Server. Suppose you get a job as a network engineer. So what is the next step after CCNA? So you can learn this module, which is advanced level of CCNA, which is called CCNP. After this program, you will learn firewalls. And once you learn these modules, you will learn cloud, and then you will become a cloud network engineer. This is all future jobs, or already many companies are hiring these working professionals also. So you should not make a goal to become a network engineer. You should now make a goal to become a cloud network engineer, cloud security engineer. But what is the best way to go into cloud? So directly learning AWS Azure will not help you. You need to follow this pattern so that you will become a cloud network engineer or cloud security engineer, this kind of profile. So let's start CCNA now. Okay, if you need further guidance, you can connect with us. Okay, so let me show you something. Okay, so what is the role of network engineer? Can anyone tell me? Just raise hand and I'm going to unmute you. Yes, Harshal, tell me.
Yes, sir. Network engineer is role that we monitor the traffic from one source to another source, and also we check the where is the
Mm-hmm.
application is uh, utilized. So we apply QS tools or QS method, and
Mm-hmm.
so we check the link is down or not.
Correct. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let me show you guys what is the role of a network engineer and why you are learning this. See, most of you know that a network engineer manages router and switches. Yes or no? Correct. There are some network devices where you are going to configure, but what type of devices you are going to configure? So when इट कम्स टू नेटवर्किंग, तो जब भी हम नेटवर्किंग की बात करते हैं तो लोग क्या सोचते हैं, मोस्टली पीपल थिंक दैट so there is a router at your home, there is a very small router at your home that is like Wi-Fi broadband router. Okay, so people think that network engineers do this type of configuration, or like after CCNA you will be going to configure this type of router. No, this is not a CCNA. CCNA is all about Cisco devices, because even the full form of CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. Okay, so currently, so this is like an international, why CCNA is popular, because this is an international certification. If you get certified, you will be globally renowned. Okay, you can apply multiple jobs, people will treating you as a IT professional. So there are n number of benefits if you get certified. But what type of router and switches these network engineer configure? If we are not going to configure the normal routers like TP-Link router, D-Link router, I'm sure many of you have seen that. तो ये कितने घर के घरों पे लगे हुए हैं बताओ मुझे. How many of you have this type of device at your home? Yes, Rahul.
Yes, sir. I have same Wi-Fi router like as
Yeah,
portable.
so mostly all of you have this type of device at your home if you are using broadband or maybe some hotspot kind of device, right? So yes, definitely this device will help you to understand basic networking, but this is not what we are doing. Network engineers manages big routers and switches. Okay, so let's see what kind of devices. Okay, so I'll show you. There are many Cisco. This is a Cisco catalog. I will share this link also to download. Okay. So you can see here, there are many routers. Okay. There are very big routers also, which are called ASR, aggregation service routers. So if you open this, let me show you. Can you see this, guys? दिख रहा है सभी को?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
अरे आ
Yes,
रहा
sir.
है तुम्हारी स्क्रीन पे, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. देखो आ गया.
Yes, sir.
Looks like Almira.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so this is like very powerful router, which is actually operating at terabytes of like it has a lot of capacity. It can manage a very big network like Jio, Airtel. These type of companies are using these type of devices. Okay, so this is what we call ASR series, like aggregation service router. And if you want to see, like there are many modules. If you see here, there are some parts inside this router. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, guys.
Yes.
Okay, so this is called line cards. What are they? Line cards. Okay, means many devices can able to connect with this router. Okay, many powerful other devices can, and you can see there is fan tray also. Can you see that? There is a fan tray at the last. दिख रहा है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is called fan tray, or where we can say also it's like a power supply which has multiple fans also. So how many power supply this device has? It has many power supplies, right? So this is a very big router. So not after CCNA, if you get a job in Airtel, Jio, or these type of companies, so definitely maybe after some experience, you will be going to configure this type of device. Do you know what is the normally, how much it cost? Guys, anyone can give me idea, even just guess, like what is the cost of this device? Anyone?
4 to
2 to 3 lakhs.
Okay.
50 lakh. 50 lakh.
10 lakhs,
Okay.
sir.
It is more than 2 CR. 2-2.5 करोड़ से ऊपर का राउटर है. Got it? So ये जो लाइन कार्ड आपको दिख रहे हैं ना, so these line cards are costing 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. जो ये एक कार्ड दिख रहा है ना आपको, ये this card is costing around 20 to 25. This is Cisco. Cisco is charging not for device, Cisco is charging for their support also. Suppose if anything happens with this device, your company network will down, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So there is a team called Cisco TAC team. Guys, please turn off your mics if you are not speaking. Govind, Pankaj, Santanu, माइक ऑफ करने की आदत डालिए प्लीज. हाँ, तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था? सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग दैट दिस टाइप ऑफ डिवाइस इज यूज्ड इन आईएसपी. व्हाट इज आईएसपी गाइस? आईएसपी क्या होता है?
Internet
is the
service
provider.
Yes, internet service provider. So big companies are using these type of devices, but when it comes to the normal company, so some companies are using this ISR series router. So there is a router which is like ISR. Okay, let me show you that also. So this is a normal device. It is getting loaded. Just wait. Just hold on. Okay, it's showing me 46%. Yeah. Yeah, so you can see the size of this device is even 10x less, right? तो ये 10 गुना छोटा डिवाइस दिख रहा है आपको, दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this device is used in industries like any companies like Nestle, Dabur, the companies who are not ISP. So they are using these type of devices to manage their company networks. Okay.
Okay.
So these routers are called ISR series router. You are going to work on these routers, or maybe the first one I have shown you. So networking is not about just configuring the basic router. This is all about the production network. These all devices are production devices. Are you getting? तो हमें वो नहीं करना है वो जो छोटा मोटा राउटर होता कॉन्फ़िगर. Okay, so if you get a good job, you will be going to configure these devices. Now tell me guys, if you are owner of any company, okay, let's guess it. ओके तो अगर आप एक कंपनी के मालिक हो, बहुत बड़ी कंपनी के, शायद मे बी लाइक यू आर ओनिंग ए 10 crore 20 और 100 crore कंपनी. सो व्हेन यू बाय दीज डिवाइसेस, तो जब आप ये डिवाइस खरीदते हैं, सपोज यू बाय दीज डिवाइसेस फॉर योर कंपनी नेटवर्क, सो टेल मी, you will hire just normal IT guys or you will hire network professionals?
Sir, network
Professionals.
And how you will come to know these people are network professionals? By taking their interviews?
According to
Yes, sir.
cracking interviews.
Yes. So by taking their interviews, right? The first, we will judge any network people by taking interviews. Okay. But before that, which guys to whom we are going to call for interviews? The first one, those have good resume, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you have a good resume, then only people will call you.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah. So means we need to first work on our resume. Then people are going to call us. And when they are going to call us, we need to confidently, we need to answer those questions what is being asked. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the best way to get a job. If you feel like after doing CCNA or any type of course, you will get a job by just sitting at home, no. You need to work on many things. You need to work on your resume. You need to give a lot of interviews. You need to be very confident. So this is like career is all about multiple things. This is not just you work on your resume, you just work on your interviews or just confident, right? It is a mix of multiple things. Like getting a job in a big company is a strategy. Yes or no? All agree?
Agreed, sir.
So we are going to learn the strategy in CCNA, how we are going to learn those things. Okay. So we will not just learn CCNA, we will also see what resume tricks we are going to add in a resume. So like what are the best topics you should understand, you should put in your resume. These also I'll keep taking in the classes. Whenever I take classes, I always say this is an interview question. There is no separate interview classes here. तो जो भी मैं क्लास डेली ले रहा हूँ, all classes are important. So just promise that you are going to attend the full live classes first.
Promise, sir.
Promise, sir.
Yes, sir.
Promise, sir.
Because even this batch is going to run for 2 months or either 2.5 months or either it will go up to 3 months. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But we are here
Okay,
to
sir.
learn. Okay. So you need to promise that you are going to come in live classes. And if you miss any live class, okay, if you miss any live class, you will watch recording, then only you will come in the next day.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Definitely.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Because see, I do not want this batch to skip the classes, because if we are giving you video recording, so हम video recording क्यों दे रहे हैं? Lazy करने के लिए आपको या आपकी अच्छी knowledge बढ़ाने के लिए? We are giving you video so that you will revise the content also, right?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
And
sir.
if
Yes, sir.
sometimes your internet is not working or something, n number of problem,
Yes,
or
sir.
maybe you have not recharged your Jio. Okay. So
Definitely,
whatever
sir.
n number of problems, so you need to focus on these things. Okay. So let's talk about the switch now. Okay. So I'll definitely. Yeah. So these
Excuse me?
are, yeah.
I got a question, like the ASR router, how much would
Mhm.
that cost?
It will cost you like approximately more than like $50,000 plus.
Oh, all right. Yeah. Got
It's
it.
a very
Thanks.
costly devices. So this is why companies are hiring professional. If these devices are
Yeah.
low cost, so might be companies have hired freshers directly without having knowledge. So this
Yeah,
is why
true.
even a fresher is being asked for CCNA, CCNP knowledge in the market.
Thanks.
Rahul, turn off your mic, please. Yeah.
Sorry,
So
sir.
guys, tell me why we need a router. So why we need a router, these type of devices, why we need these devices? Anybody explain me?
Or
किसी
interconnection.
को पता है? Those who are from industry, because see guys, even if you are from industry, many freshers are here also. They will also get industry exposure. Yeah, tell me why we need these type of devices in company.
To connect
For
different
connecting to
geographical.
different networks.
Correct. Okay, so let me give you idea. How many of you know that companies have multiple branch offices in different cities? Like suppose you have an office in Delhi, suppose you have an office in Mumbai. Okay. So you have office in Kolkata. So maybe you have an office in Dubai. So I'm just making 10 or 15, 7, 8 branches. Okay. So you have New Jersey. Okay. You have office in Toronto, Canada. Okay. So you have many offices in different locations. So this is a sign I am just putting as a building. Manoranjan, can you please turn off your mic? See guys, if you are not speaking,
Sorry,
please
sir.
make sure your mic is off. Yeah, thank you. So it will not disturb the whole class. Okay, so you have many offices. Okay, so everywhere you need a router or only at one place, guys? What do you think? क्या हर जगह राउटर लगाना पड़ेगा या एक ही जगह बहुत है?
Yeah, everywhere. Sir, everywhere router is needed.
Everywhere.
Yes.
Everywhere.
Yeah, because when you are going to, yeah. So most of the scenario in most of the company networks, you need router at every place. Okay. So when you need router, so why we need router? So that our branch offices are able to connect with ISP. So who connects our locations with each other? कौन connect कराता है हमारे head office and branch offices को? Who is the head offices, branches? Who connect all our head office and branches? ISP.
ISP.
Okay, so ISP stand for Internet Service
Provider.
Yes. Okay, so many ISP providers are in the market right now. Like if you talk about India, so the most famous is Reliance Jio. Then we have Airtel. Okay, so we have. So do you know who is the biggest ISP in India? Like not in India, who is a global ISP, but he is from that company is from India.
Airtel.
Not Airtel.
Vodafone.
Vodafone.
Tata.
ये
Sir, Airtel.
Tata. Sir,
AT&T.
जिनको नहीं पता तुक्के ना मारो, पीट दूंगा.
Sir, Tata.
Okay, so so Tata is the biggest ISP. So how they come to know this is biggest ISP? Like there are many ISP in who is from Dubai or Middle East? Anyone
I
here?
am. Yeah.
Okay, Hitam, where are from you?
I'm from Dubai, but I live in the US.
Okay, so which connection you are using, Etisalat or Do?
What was that?
So which SIM card is you are using, Do company or Etisalat?
Etisalat.
Okay, so what is Etisalat? It's an ISP or just it's a SIM providing company?
I guess it's an ISP.
Yes, do not guess, now be confident, it's a ISP.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because
is.
the company who provide internet, it is known as internet service provider, either with a SIM or either a broadband connection or either any type of connectivity. Okay.
Mhm.
So when any ISP connects you, so ISP gives you many options to connect internet. So one option is called 4G, 5G. Okay. So these are what another methods to provide internet. One is called broadband. Okay. So what are these? These are different mediums to give internet connection to the customers. Correct?
Yeah, but I think that they're like
Mhm.
getting connection from India. Like they have like big servers. in
Either,
India.
yeah. See, many companies are connected with each other. Okay. So I'll explain you all these things, how it works. Okay. Don't worry. Just hold on for something. Okay. Anyone from US
I live in
or
the US
Canada?
too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are in US or Dubai? You are confusing
No,
me.
I'm from Dubai, but I live in the
Okay.
US.
Okay. Great. So in US, which vendor you are using?
There are multiple. There's AT&T and T-Mobile.
Yeah, so there are many
Verizon.
ISP in USA level 3. Okay, so there is what we call AT&T, which is like
Mhm.
a government body in US, right?
Yeah.
So there is another company
T-Mobile.
which is called Sprint.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, so there are many level 3 communication, AT&T, Sprint. These all are ISP from USA. Okay, so this is like company Etisalat is from like Middle East, like Dubai. Anyone from different company here? Sorry, country? कोई है दूसरी country का?
Yeah, I'm from Canada.
Yeah, Jamin. So which you are using? Rogers cable?
Yes, I'm using Rogers cable. We have also access. Roger Bay.
Yeah. So Rogers cable is another ISP like Tata, Airtel, Reliance Jio from Canada. Okay, Rogers cable. So why I'm telling you all this? This is the first class, guys. I'm just giving you little more knowledge because do you know all these companies have offices in India? Like not only India companies, even level 3, AT&T, Sprint, Rogers Cable, mostly all big ISPs in the world have offices in India also. All major like Tata or Airtel, they have office in different countries also. Means you should understand who is ISP. Okay, so that you will be going to apply jobs in ISP companies also. Got it? So start making a list where you will be getting know like who are ISP, and after this CCNA or any further level, you will be going to apply the jobs in these companies as well. Right? So most of these companies are hiring which team members? Network engineers, right? Or some people call this NOC engineers, Network Operations Center. Got an idea, guys? हाँ जी, यहाँ तक समझ आया सभी को? कोई किसी को डाउट आ रहा है पूछ सकते हो?
But what does tier 2 and tier 3 means?
Yeah, I'll explain. Okay, so first we know all these branch offices are connected with each other with maybe Kolkata is our head office maybe. Okay, so all these branch offices are connected with the head office. So may I know, guys, from you, why all these branches are connected with head office? Why most of companies are branches are connected to each other?
Sir, because there we place the main server, or routers, firewalls.
Internal applications?
Some data transfer.
internal applications,
Internal
right?
application.
Simple words. For their internal applications, right? Suppose all are like this is suppose this design is from Apple. Okay, तो ये Apple के office हैं. Suppose all these offices are Apple offices. So Apple is making their mobile phones, right? iPhones. So maybe in Dubai or maybe in New Jersey, they are planning the design, right? Maybe there is a team in Dubai who is actually working on the marketing part. So maybe there is a team in Delhi who is taking care of the sales part. Maybe in Mumbai also we have a team, Apple team of sales. So maybe Kolkata is managing Apple Maps. Are you getting what I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Like when it comes to big companies, they have different offices because they have different operations in different countries or cities. Yes or no? All agree?
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Certainly.
So yes, so this is why all the offices should be connected, right? So now tell me, all internal applications need more reliability, means they need perfect connectivity, or just a normal internet connection will work fine?
Proper
I think
They
reliability.
need
perfect
high
connection.
bandwidth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for reliability, what is reliability, guys? Means perfect connectivity is called reliability, kind of. So you need high bandwidth, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So will like are we able to connect all these locations with broadband kind of connections with a very low internet connection? क्या हम इन पूरी location को,
sir.
all these
No.
locations can be
No.
connected with broadband?
No.
Yes, they can be connected, but we will not get reliability. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but I'm sorry, sir. I have a question, but like how they do it, they all do it like they have VPN cloud connection, they do the tunneling, but that would lower the broadband.
Yes, correct. I'll explain those things also. You have good knowledge, but just all these are scattered in dots. I am here to connect all your dots. Don't worry.
All right, thanks. Thank you.
ओके तो होता क्या है गाइस, यहाँ पर हमें हाई बैंडविड्थ लिंक चाहिए. ओके, वी नीड हाई बैंडविड्थ लिंक्स. सो दिस इज व्हाई वी टेक फ्रॉम ISP which connection? Private connection. Which connection? Private wide area network. Which connection? Private wide area network. And this
Like
is
a lease
costly
line?
or cheap? Yeah, it's called lease line sometimes, but just a focus what I'm teaching right now. Just consider this is private WAN. Okay. Private WAN means your private connection. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me, what do you think this type of connectivity when you have all your private connections? So how many connections you need? Whatever number of branches you have, right? Suppose you have 10 branches, you need 10 connections, right? From one
Yes.
ISP. So tell me, if one connection goes down, will you bear the company loss, or you will have another internet ISP connection?
We have
Some-
another internet
We'll have one more.
Another one, like more
Yes, so
redundant.
means most of the companies, जितनी भी companies हैं हमारी world में, mostly all our branch offices, they will not be connected with one ISP. They will be connected with two ISP, like maybe Airtel and maybe Reliance.
Like a backup.
Yes, one is like backup. So from your Delhi office, you will have one router or two router. What do you think? Like if one router, yeah,
Two routers.
yes,
Two routers.
One primary, one secondary.
Primary and secondary.
yes. So you need two routers in Delhi, because if one router hardware issue comes, so your another router will help you to take the internet from the Reliance,
Yes.
right?
Okay.
The same way in the Mumbai.
Hi, you are watching the recording from one of our live session. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more future updates.
So your Toronto, you will have also two ISP. Maybe it is connected to Reliance, one is connected to Airtel. Got it?
Primary and secondary MPLS.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Not do not talk about those things which I'm not talking right now. MPLS and all these things are advanced. Okay. So we have head office. In head office also we need two connection. Yes. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So New
Yes, sir.
Jersey,
Yes, sir.
one
We
is
need
connected.
two routers.
Yes. So this is, do you know, guys, like what we discussed, this is actually यही सब जगह हो रहा है, यही हमारा आज की डेट में कंपनीज में हमें सिनेरियो सीखना है. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर हियर टू लर्न इन CCNA. I will not only just cover small those things only. I will also explain you what is the real scenario. Okay. So you can see here, like what we need to learn in this batch, like how these branch offices, like every branch, now you know how all branches are connected. समझ आया सभी को यहाँ पे कैसे हमारे ऑफिसेस कनेक्टेड हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is just a one view from one branch. So tell me how many ISP we have here? Just
Two ISP.
Two, sir.
Two
yes.
ISP.
Oh,
हाँ जी, एक सेकंड मुझे दो.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर सर मैं अभी बहुत नई हूँ नेटवर्किंग में सर, तो मुझे ये जानना था कि जैसे कि हर हमारी एक कंपनी के बहुत सारी ब्रांचेस होती हैं, तो हर के पास अलग अलग राउटर्स होते हैं. तो सर वो जैसे
Yes.
जो हमारा वो आईएसपी जो आप बता रहे हैं, वो जो है वो हम मतलब वो डिफरेंट ब्रांच को कनेक्ट करने के लिए यूज मतलब वो प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं. तो वो सर
Yes.
वो मतलब वो वायर के थ्रू कनेक्ट करते हैं हमारी एक ब्रांच को दूसरे ब्रांच से, कि या वो वायरलेस होते हैं, ऐसा कुछ मतलब?
दोनों टाइप की कनेक्टिविटी है. वी हैव बोथ कनेक्टिविटी. So guys, she is asking like what type of connectivity we get from ISP. Mostly you get wired connectivity, but in some places where the cable is not possible, they provide UBR type of connectivity, which is like wireless connectivity.
मीन्स सपोज मेरे पास एक दिल्ली में और एक हैदराबाद में, जैसे दो मेरे ब्रांच हैं, तो जो मेरे दिल्ली वाले जो डेटा होंगे जो मतलब मैं हैदराबाद में सेंड करना चाहती हूँ, उसको मुझे पहले आईएसपी के पास भेजना होगा, उसके बाद आईएसपी फिर मुझे हैदराबाद के पास पहुंचाएंगे.
Yes, very true. So because we do not have sufficient amount, even any company, even it is Apple, so they will not deploy, even the government will not allow them to place all the fiber from Delhi to Hyderabad. You need a lot of permissions, right? To underlay the fiber cable. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So ISP has taken permissions everywhere, right? So they have fiber links under right? So already they have underlay relay cables kind of. So they have fiber cables. So what will happen, like when you will connect a Delhi office with Hyderabad, okay, what will happen? You will take connection from the Delhi office. Suppose you are taking Airtel connection. So from both sides, you need same ISP, right? So already Delhi and Hyderabad is already connected. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
इन्होंने तो पहली केबल बिछाया हुआ है ना पहले से ही. Like Airtel and Airtel Hyderabad both are connected to each other. All agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
They have very big cables, kind of fiber, high-speed cables already.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even your calls are going from these cable. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. Even so, this cable is not only for internet. Even you are calling your 4G, 5G, whatever it is coming, it is also going in from these cables only. So already when we have a big pipe, so you will just going to have a small pipe from Airtel Delhi, and you need to pay maybe $100, $200 according to the link, right? Suppose you are going to pay around 15,000, which is around $200 every month for this link. Okay. So here also for Airtel and from Airtel Hyderabad, you will also take a link, which is also going to cost you. This is, I'm telling you in general. Okay. So in this amount, do you know what type of speed you get? What do you think, guys? कितना speed मिलता होगा इतने में?
Sir, I think 1 Gbps. 5 to 10 Mbps.
Oh man, we are talking about company networks here. We are not paying Jio. 15,000 per month.
10 MB. 5 to 10 Mbps.
You will get, yeah. So you will get 20 to 30 Mbps, depends on like if you good at negotiating. समझ रहे हो? तो 10, 20, 30 MB तक मिलता है. You will not get 100 MB or 200 MB of links. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Even the companies are charging per Mbps.
Yes, they are charging per Mbps, correct. तो जो घर पे हम लगवाते हैं ना, like in at our home we take 15 Mbps to 20 Mbps or like any type of connection, that is very cheap because that is shared bandwidth, but this is what we are taking dedicated bandwidth. तो ये कौन सा bandwidth होता है?
सेम होता है ना?
Yeah. So this is called dedicated connection. So it's like book. So tell me guys, if you travel from Delhi to Agra, okay, so when you are going with bus, okay, so this is your public transport which is shared, right? So you will pay less here, or you book Uber, you will pay here. तो अगर आप बस से जाओगे तो कम खर्चा आएगा, या उबर स्पेशल करोगे तो आएगा?
By bus.
So bus is shared, right? So even you do not know you will get a seat or not. So bus is like your shared bandwidth. Okay, this is like your broadband connection. And when you are booking a Uber for you, okay, so it is like a dedicated for you, correct? Because you are paying for your private service kind of. So you will get more reliability here. पैर फैला के सो जाओ चाहे, right? So you will be getting here more services. This is why Uber is going to cost you more from one location to another in comparison to the public transport. The same way when we are talking about internet, so when we take the dedicated connection, okay, so जब हम dedicated connection लेते हैं, we are going to pay more. This is just an average amount. Companies are paying maybe 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs per month for one link also. So suppose if you are taking 1 GB, so maybe you are going to pay maybe just average like 70,000, which is around $1,000 every month. Now tell me, if you have 100 branch offices and for every link, if you are paying $1,000, which is 70,000, how much you are going to pay every month to the ISPs? It is a lot, right? समझ आ रहा है मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ?
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
So approx 70 lakhs you will be going to pay for your 100 branches for only internet connection. Now again tell me, if the devices are very costly, today I have shown you the routers, even the bigger devices like routers, the links are costly. Now tell me, this is a serious journey to become a network engineer, or just we can taken for granted?
Serious journey.
Right? Yeah, so obviously
Very
it's a,
serious.
see, yeah, so on the first class, do you see my strategy, what I'm doing? So
Sir,
I'm not just
sorry
Yeah.
for interview, sir. In dedicated line, we also get the security.
No, you are paying only for the link, not for security. For security, you need more devices which are going to place here, or maybe you can place here. It's your choice. These are called firewalls. Okay, we are going to have more devices, like 1 or 2 devices here, which are called firewalls. So why we have firewalls? Because there is an attacker outside in the public. They will not attack your company network. This is why there is a device called firewall, which will protect from hackers or intruders. Okay.
Sir,
Clear?
I have a question.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, just tell me guys, why we have these devices? What is this? Why we need a switch? What is this device? Switch.
Sir, this is a
So-
L3 switch.
For multi-connection.
Do not
connect multiple devices in a network.
Yes.
Yes,
Do not talk about very advanced right now. This is first class. So this is a switch which is helping us to connect more devices. Let me show you the switch now.
Sir, actually,
Yeah. Tell me.
sir, I have a question. You just told me like Delhi branch using Airtel and Hyderabad
Hmm.
using Airtel, and I will negotiate, and someone give me like I negotiate with Jio and they give me a cheaper price. So I can use the Jio network in Hyderabad, and I can use
That's
the
difficult.
Airtel.
No, it's not possible. It's difficult. Then again, you need to connect with VPN, which will not give you reliability. For better reliability, you need same ISP, both sides.
So I cannot use the 2 different services, right?
No. So what you can do, like from Delhi to Hyderabad, you can use this Airtel, but if you want different ISP for more speed, like Delhi is connected to Chennai, where you can change the ISP this side, because this cable is connected with maybe Reliance. तो हर एक लिंक जो होगा वो एक ही ISP का होगा दोनों साइड. Okay.
Yeah.
And what if our office is in other country, then Airtel would not be having that connectivity over there?
Airtel is a direct connection with international companies like AT&T. Suppose you have an office in USA, okay, so you will have your connectivity in Delhi and you have office in New York. So from New York office, you will be going to connected with AT&T because they are a partner of Airtel in India. Okay, so they are going to do something internally, which is called VPN and all other things. It is possible when the companies, ISP companies, are in connection with each other. Clear?
Yeah, got it.
This is what happened when I was in Apple. Okay, so most of our US offices, or maybe the offices we have in Netherlands, they all connected with the Singapore, and Singapore connected to India, Mumbai location. So there are many ISP. Even I used to think this way because I worked with companies. I know this thing, but as a normal student, you won't be able to understand even by reading the books that how companies are going to connect. Suppose you have office in New York and there is no Airtel in New York. तो अगर Airtel है ही नहीं है New York में, तो India को कैसे connect करेगा branch office में, right? So this is like there is a collaboration they have. This is called global connectivity. So Airtel is already paying to some vendor. They're gonna charge you around $1,000 suppose, and maybe they are paying some $300 to that ISP. Got it? It's like partner programs. Okay. Okay, so I'm showing you switch. So guys, don't worry if you feel like this is more advanced. So I'm showing you as still many who are watching in YouTube, they can join, right? So see, so if I want to connect, tell me guys, if I have only 20 or maybe 50 devices, what type of device I will use? I will use Catalyst kind of device. So you can see there is a device. It's getting loaded. Just hold on. मजा आ रहा है? First class में.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a device. You can see a lot of ports here, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you are going to do, you are going to connect your computers. Like suppose you have many computers. There is a computer lab in your office, or maybe you have 20 team members. तो जितने भी ऑफिस में हमारे 20 लोग हैं, 15 लोग हैं, 20 लोग हैं. So if you have 15 to 20 people, they all are going to connect the cables with this device, right?
Right, sir.
ऐसे ही होगा कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. All ports will be occupied.
This is Ethernet switch, right?
Yeah, this is Ethernet. So these ports are called Ethernet ports. Okay. So there is a cable also which is called, some people call this cable Ethernet. I'll show you everything in the practical. Ethernet cable. And what I recommend you guys, I'll show you, just wait for some time. So Ethernet ports. So all these devices are connected, and now this device cable, there is another ports here. Can you see this? These type of ports here in the right side?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why they are two different ports this side? Because these are high speed ports called uplinks. ये क्या होता है? Uplink होता है.
Uplinks.
Because these ports are going towards my router or the main device. Okay, so there is a device called router which is further connected to ISP, and ISP is connected to multiple branch offices. Got an idea now?
Yes, sir.
Branch 1, branch 2, and this is like branch or maybe branch 3 or head office. Okay, this whole view, inside view of my one branch. So you have these type of networks in all the branches, है ना? तो ये जो network मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, this is just a basic network, and where I have shown you this type of network here. So this is just consider this is one branch network. तो ये हमारा एक branch का network है. and you will be going to get this lab access. I'm sure many of you already got. How many of you got the lab access? You got? Have you?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I
okay.
also got.
Okay. So if you do not get, so just connect with the support team. Okay, I'll share the details how to connect a support team. Okay, or you can just go to the website where, and all the videos will be uploaded on this website. Just log in with your ID, and from here only people can enroll also. So just hold on. Yeah. So this is support. So if you do not get lab access or there is any problem, so you can always refer this, right? This is a, I don't know why it's showing this, but there is a number, India number, right? You can call this whenever you get an issue. There is an international number also. You can call with 91 or something. So you can just put your email ID. So whenever you get any issue like regarding lab, regarding your login, so you can raise the ticket. So do you know what is ticket, guys? Those who are fresher. So in companies, when you will be going to become a network engineer also, so companies who are going, like suppose अगर आप किसी company के लिए काम कर रहे हो, suppose you are working for any client, okay, they are also going to raise the tickets and you need to resolve the tickets also. Suppose some client will raise his email ID, phone number, all things that their router is not working. Okay, I'll explain these things also so that you will get an idea. So when you are going for interview, you will also have a good hands-on experience that how to crack interviews, what to say in interviews. And many people, those who are, so after this also guys, like those who are in my batch, they are going to get the certificate also. So where we have clearly written that these students have learned from the engineers. तो जो हमारा certificate है उसके ऊपर लिखा होता है that you actually took training from engineers. Okay, so that you can show to somewhere, but yes, certificate is just a piece of paper without knowledge, right? I'm sure you all agree.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the lab access you will get. So this is not only lab you will get, you will have a lot of labs. So you can see a lot of labs here. Not only we are going to learn these labs here only. So ये वाली जो lab and these are what I call these real latest labs, or you can call them some real practice lab where you will do the real industry practicals. Okay, so you will just turn on all the devices. तो आप आज जाके थोड़ा टेस्ट करो कि क्या क्या है ये. Okay, so once you do it, you can stop all the devices from here also. More action, stop. So once you log in, I'm going to show you how to connect the device, and this is all mostly all is CLI. तो networking के अंदर जो हम पढ़ते हैं mostly all it is CLI. This is called CLI. There are some commands. Okay, you need to run. Okay, suppose I'm going to change the router name to Jamin. Hi Jamin. की हाल चाल? Okay. So this is, you can see the device name changed to Jamin, right? So I'm going to show you step by step what to do, and we are going to make notes also so that you will be going to get all your notes day wise. Okay. So let me show you that also. Don't worry, everything we are doing, just you need to be focused and promise that you will attend mostly all live classes again. Okay, you can see here all the notes are here, right? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So every class I take, I make notes. ठीक है, तो जो भी हमारी classes होती हैं, so I'm going to make notes for you, and you can also download the activity labs also. So what is activity labs? So let me show you also. So I have almost, okay, so I have almost 100 plus labs here. Can you see this, guys? थोड़ा दिखेगा कम पर दिख रहा होगा, देखो दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these all labs also you will get for your homework. Sometimes you will also get for your more practice. One topic, like suppose we have a topic called let's call this, there is a topic in CCNA ACL. So you see there are, I will cover 1 or 2 classes of ACL, but you will have enough number of labs to practice more. तो आपके पास बहुत सारी लैब होगी बहुत ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए. So you can see one topic lab like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. For every topic you have around 2 to 3 to 5 to 7 labs. Okay. तो कई topics की mostly topics you have 2 labs, 4 labs, 5 labs, or some bigger topics you will have around 7 to 8 labs also. So you need to open these labs. तो आपको क्या करना है, ये वाली labs के लिए एक सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड करना है. Okay, so you need to download a packet tracer, which is free software. Okay, so you will get this lab access from Networkings. Already many of you got it, right? So जिनको नहीं मिला है support team पे connect करो. So those who have not got it, just raise the help desk ticket.
Hello sir.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
How to connect the lab?
What?
Connect कैसे करना है lab से? जो फ्री मिला है वो लॉगिन कैसे करना है सर?
वो ईमेल आया होगा, चेक करो उसके अंदर ना. बाकी वो वाली जब मैं लैब करवाऊंगा ना, मैं वो वाली जब लैब कराऊंगा डियर, आई विल एक्सप्लेन फ्रॉम जीरो लेवल. ओके, so I'm just showing you what we are going to learn. I'm just covering the agenda. I'm going to also show you. You can see here there is a lab. दिख रहा है सभी को? There is a lab, right? So this is a software which is called Packet Tracer. You will get an activity here. You can see there is a task which you need to work on, right? Can you see these tasks? दिख रहा है सभी को task? So all these labs are task based. So after doing the lab, so how you will check your score? Because I am not able to check all people score, right? So we have those labs where you will able to check your own result by clicking check result, and you will get to know how much you scored. Can you see this? There is score. So तो आपको ये खुद ही लैब बता देगी कि आपने कहाँ गलती करी है.
अरे मेरे भाई यही है, कहाँ जाएंगे तेरे बिना यार.
सर आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो वन थिंग.
तुम क्लास लेने आए हो, बातें
अरे वो
करने आए
यूं
हो?
नहीं करा मैंने, लेट होने की वजह से यार, लेट हो गया दोनों बार.
ये बातें करने आए यहाँ पे. चलो जी.
ये कमांड्स भी सर, ये कमांड्स भी हमें तभी पता चलेंगी जो कमांड्स है इसकी.
जी ये पूरी बहुत ज्यादा कमांड नहीं है, बहुत नॉर्मल कमांड्स होती हैं. डू नॉट गेट वरी. सो इफ आई शो यू वन लैब, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. तो मैं आपको एक अच्छा लैब भी दिखा देता हूँ. डर तो नहीं रहा ना कोई?
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
So the issue is basically I'm using my office laptop and I'll not be able to access all these files as of now. So most probably by 15th of next month I'll be getting my laptop. So is it good if I'll go with the classes?
I already
later
know
on...
your issue. Yeah, do not worry, but try to at least download this Packet Tracer. And there is a mobile version of Packet Tracer also. So try to manage somehow. So either by doing lab on very basic labs. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll see how to resolve your issue. Don't worry.
No. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so guys, you can see there is a lab and all these commands are here. So you need to learn what are these commands और ये कैसे कैसे डालना है, ये सारे स्टेप में सीखेंगे हम. Okay, so don't worry about कुछ लोगों को बहुत टफ लग रहा होगा, but don't worry, you will be going to learn. You will be champ. Okay, ठीक है?
Oh, hello sir. I have one
Yes.
question, sir. I already installed the Packet Tracer, but sir, where we find that description with the command? I didn't get.
Yeah, these labs we will share with you very soon. After every topic, we will give you 2-3 labs.
Means that lab you already prepared from own self, sir.
Yeah. These labs are Cisco official labs. We will be sharing those labs. Okay, as we are going to cover the Cisco curriculum also, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so any question, guys? और किसका कोई डाउट है तो? हाँ जी.
Pavan Mukherjee from West Bengal. Actually, हम 2 दिन पहले एडमिशन लिया है, तो some doubt about this all things.
Okay, what doubt you have?
So, एक क्या ongoing courses है, ongoing batches है क्या?
No, this is first class, dear. आपने बीच में ज्वाइन किया था क्या? प्रतीक्षा, do you have any doubt?
हाँ सर, आपने बोला ना कि आपका गोल होना चाहिए क्लाउड इंजीनियर बनने का, तो
Yes.
नेटवर्किंग के बाद मतलब CCNA के बाद कौन सा क्लास लेना चाहिए मतलब AWS में करने के लिए?
आप पूरा सीसीएनए मेरे साथ कर रहे हो ना, तो आप मुझे गाइड कर दोगे मेरे सीसीएनए के बाद। ठीक है, सो डोंट वरी, वी विल बी गोइंग टू लर्न also like what is the next step. Always the best step after CCNA if you are planning to become a network engineer is CCNP. Okay?
ओके।
हाँ,
मेरा भी वही क्वेश्चन था सर, एक नेटवर्क
हाँ।
सिक्योरिटी में जाना है और प्लस SD-WAN, मतलब दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? अगर सिक्योरिटी में जाना होगा तो SD-WAN नीड है क्या?
SD-WAN is so remember I have given one example. तो मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल दिया था आपको. ओके, दैट एग्जाम्पल was that we connect multiple locations, बहुत सारी different branch offices को हम आपस में connect करते हैं, right? So we connect with which like with the ISP, right? And which device we are using here? Router, right? So SD-WAN is nothing. Instead of router, we will use some SD-WAN devices called V-Edge. Okay? अभी क्या हो रहा है, सारे राउटर को अलग अलग कॉन्फ़िगर करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो इन CCNA we will learn how to configure all the routers every one by one. Suppose you have 100 branch offices, then how many routers you have to configure? If you have one router in one branch, 100 routers, right? But when you use SD-WAN technology, which is latest, it is hot technology in the market, but you cannot learn without CCNA, CCNP. So you need CCNA, CCNP knowledge to learn SD-WAN. So what is SD-WAN? You will have router kind of devices called V-Edge. Which devices? V-Edge.
Yes.
Okay, and we will install one server which is called vManage. vManage. So you do not have to configure 100 routers for 100 branches. Everything, जितने भी मेरे branch offices हैं, if you have 100 offices, you will be going to manage all your 100 devices from this device only called vManage. It's like controller, it's like a server for all the branches. सही चीज है ना?
ये
Okay, it is actually reducing the time, right? It is making my network more efficient because I do not have to go to all 100 routers to keep doing the configurations. समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will discuss. See, guys, this is just a first class. Those who think that this is going little advanced, don't worry. And most of you got the self-paced videos also, right?
तो मैंने आपके 2-3 वीडियो देखे
अभी तो बेटा बहुत देखने हैं. तुम्हें तो दुखी कर दूंगा मैं पढ़ा के.
नहीं सर, मेरा सिर्फ यही क्वेश्चन था, जो सिक्योरिटी लाइन है और ये SD-WAN लाइन, ये डिफरेंट है क्या सर?
हाँ, डिफरेंट है.
तो
SD-WAN is to connect your head offices, branch offices, and to manage all of them from one location. Security is a different thing. Security is like how you will protect your company networks.
सर, तो दोनों अगर टेक्निक हमने मतलब लर्न की तो बेटर रहेगा क्या फ्यूचर में?
भाई बहुत बेटर रहेगा. You will be going on around 15 lakhs plus salary.
सर टैग प्रोफाइल में जाने के लिए सिस्को सिक्योरिटी क्या जरूरी है, मतलब CCNA सिक्योरिटी?
अभी आज के लिए इतना ही काफी है. This is not the last class, right?
Sure, sir.
I have another class, so keep your doubts with yourself for today. So I'll take your doubts tomorrow then. Okay?
Okay, sir.
One last question.
Yeah, tell me.
Is there any foundation for, like time moderation from this lab, or we can use as whenever we want?
I didn't get you.
Is there any time moderation for this lab?
See, right now there is no one who is saying my lab is expired. Okay, got an idea? तो अभी तक हमें कोई बच्चा नहीं मिला जो कह रहा है सर मेरा लैब खत्म हो गया है, मुझे दोबारा दे दो. बहुत रेयर है ऐसे. Because many people, because we are going to not use only the real labs which we have given you, we are also going to use Packet Tracer also. Someday we will use some another one. So it is like a mix of everything. Okay?
Okay. Sir, one more question, sir.
हाँ जी, दूसरी बैच को कैंसिल कर दूंगा आज.
No, sir. No, sir.
तो जाने दो यार.
सिर्फ 2 मिनट सर. सर आपने जो अभी ASR राउटर दिखाया तो अभी वो लेटेस्ट मतलब टॉप वर्जन का राउटर था क्या सर वो?
हाँ वो टॉप था. जस्ट गो टू नाउ व्हाट्स योर होमवर्क गाइस, ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर सिस्को वेबसाइट, व्हाट दे डू. ओके क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट वो बनाते हैं. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू increase your interest in this line, then only you will be able to succeed in this. तो जब तक इंटरेस्ट नहीं आएगा ना, so पहली 5 classes, first 5 classes, I make sure that people get a lot of interest, then only they will be going to stay with us for longer time, right? तो हम पूरा प्लान ये करते हैं कि पहले आपका इंटरेस्ट जागे इस टेक्नोलॉजी में. So Cisco is making a lot of devices. So you can see data center, SD-WAN. Try to just explore their devices by going to products. Okay. So this is our homework. What is the switches? What is router? Just try to check which models they have. Try to remember 1 or 2 models. Okay. तो अभी सिर्फ basic पढ़ना है. Do not worry. We will help you to understand this course in a very much detail and properly also. तो आपको क्या करना है? So most of you who already got the videos, so try to watch those videos also, okay? And try to keep asking these questions in live, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay guys, thank you very much.